Motivated Fishing, and today we're headed off to a new little spot I had found on Google Maps. We're gonna see if there's any bass in there. We're gonna check it out. Let's get it. Well, guys, we pulled up to a spot that I had mapped out, and it has a no trespassing sign on it, and the bridge is fucking huge. I didn't even realize that. Look at this. Alright guys, quick update. We got some rain, some heavy rain. I went to my bowfin spot, no action. So I went to Google Maps and we're headed to another spot that I have found. We're gonna see if it's accessible or not. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it to the spot. It's just a nice little bridge. I think there's roadkill over here. I don't know if that's a snake. What the hell is that? Oh, it's an armadillo. As you can see. Not sure if there's fish in here or not. I guess it's time to find out. It doesn't look that deep. I don't know. Yo, I just missed something. It took my fucking tail off. What the hell? Oh, we on something big. Hold on. For sure, hold on. Oh shit, I had something on it. It was hella deep right there, so I let it keep going. There was something on it. What the hell? Yuck. What the fuck is that shit? Oh, I got something, guys. I got something. Oh, it's a bowfin. Let's go. I found him. Or is it a bass? What is this shit? It's a big ass bass. Holy shit. Recording. I'm recording. What the fuck? Oh, come on. Sir. Come on real quick. Guys, I am excited. Oh my God. I'm thugging it. Almost a 2 pound. $1.87. Wow. That That's crazy, man. Crazy. Look at his belly. What? Yes, sir. All right, guys, let's let him go. Wow, wasn't expecting this when I came over here at all, guys. I just quickly found this spot on Google Maps and it was over. Let's go. Goodbye, buddy. Goodbye, buddy.